Hold on.
Okay guys, back at it again. CNC Electronics Sales and Repairs and Sales. Whichever way you guys put it, we do it all. Okay guys, this is the LANZAR. This is it. Oh my god, 7001D. Yep, OptiDrive 7001D. Alright, so this was designed and engineered in the United States of America. Okay, alright, so this one, guys, I have this one, and let me say I repaired it already just now, but I did make a video from the beginning, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did, because I have a lot of amplifier to repair, so I didn't have enough time to really do this. I just do it quick and get through it, you know. So wow, messaging on my phone. Okay, so guys, the problem was, guys, we have this strap to the subwoofer box, you know. So people say bass box, you know, but you know, the subwoofer box, yeah. And with vibration, yeah, make you know, damage some, not really some component I found here. Some of these caps right here. Let me put the phone. This is a 100 volt, no, 100 microfarad, 200 volts caps right here. These filter caps right here. Beside this inductor coil. Yeah. So I have to take one out and resolder it and stuff like that. But first, he said he normally have an overheating problem with this amplifier from beginning. So I search and only to find right here there is a 22 ohms. Oh man, damage in this battery. 22 ohms resistor right here. Let's see if you guys can see it. That's red. Yeah, there's a 22 ohms resistor. But yeah, you guys a little view of it. So let me show you the resistor was like this. When I take it out, you see, you can't even see the color coding on it. You can't see the color code, so you know, yeah, it was very bad. So I installed that one. I didn't give it a bench test as yet, but I know it's working fine and everything. And if I give it a bench test, I'll let you guys see what's going on and stuff, because it was going in protection mode. Yeah, when the switch on, it goes into protection mode. So I'm going to maybe give it a bench test when I get this. My electrical is connected to some other amplifier right now, but I'm gonna take it apart and hook this one up and see if I give it a bench test for you guys after I'm finished, if I get the time to do it. But I'll see what I can do, because I did want to go to another amplifier repair right after this, but I was just giving you guys an update of stuff that happened to this. It's a bad idea to put this on a subwoofer box, but he said he couldn't help it, so I said, well, no, they always say that, but these are the way you could, you know, but that's what he says, so I don't know, but everything is good. This cap looked like it was taken apart, but piece of paper was coming out, but it's good. Somebody had worked on this amplifier before me, so you know, it is what it is. There's a little view and a little, yes. These caps are like 1800 UF, 160 volts, 160 watt volts. Yeah. Alright, and this is the same right here. These are the same volume. Oh, this is a line inductor coil. This is like two here, and these are the inductor too. Yes, so, and this again, I should give you guys an update about this, which I think this is the main reason why it's going in and out of projection mode. This I have to put some sponge behind the back of this chip here. Yeah, I have to put, just to keep it firm, because it wasn't that firm, and they put some silicone, which it still was, you know. So if I hook it up and give it a bench test, I'll let you guys know. But that would be it for now for this LANZAR 7001. But that's it for now, guys. And this repair, I don't think nothing else is wrong with it. I think that was the only issue with it, you know. But swapping it on that subwoofer box is a bad idea, bad idea. But a lot of people do it, but you know, it's always gonna have consequences to, you know, your actions. So that's where it goes. Alright, so like this amplifier really look beefy, I tell you. Really nice looking amplifier. You know, really nice looking amplifier. Really nice looking amplifier. Okay, guys. Right, so that's it, and see you guys on another repair. Thank you guys for watching. CNC Electronics Sales and Repair, Repairs and Sale. We do it all. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, as usual. You know, as I say, do the right thing. I have a lot more coming your way, guys. A whole lot more. Alright, guys, thank you for watching again. CNC Electronics out with this LANZAR repair. Thank you, guys.
Hold on.